I'd love to give you some ideas for letter K. K is for kangaroo. So we decorated the letter K to look like a kangaroo. I just colored it orange and added a construction paper head and a little pouch in front. The sound that letter K makes is k, k, k. Here's another letter that makes that same sound. It's letter C. C and K both make this sound k, k, k. Letter K says k, 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 as in kick. So we got a visit from Kermit the Frog today because Kermit was helping us to practice our letter K sounds. Letter K says k, 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 as in kick. That was a good kick, Kermit. Can you help say that letter K sound? Letter K says k, 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 as in kick. Well, you can practice your Kermit kicks today if you'd like to, and keep practicing the letter K sound and do some blending and even reading. Another idea for today is that you can use a number line, moms, homeschool moms. You can use a number line to help teach addition. So let me demonstrate that. The first number, I'm going to circle it, is 0. So let's put the kangaroo on the 0. The second number is 1, and that tells me how many hops the kangaroo will make. So the kangaroo should hop 1 time. What number did the kangaroo land on? Number 1. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. Okay, so let's do one more. Let's put the kangaroo back. You can cut him out and use the number line here. You could talk about a number line too. Before you even get started, you can say a number line is a line with numbers on it. You can count all the way down. And then let's look at the next one though. This one has a 1 in front. So we're going to move the kangaroo to number 1. And then what's the second number? That's number 2. So let's make the kangaroo hop 2 times. 1, 2. So what number did the kangaroo land on? Number 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So you can have some fun with that today. The next thing that you can do is make a kangaroo pencil holder. I just took a tin can and I covered it in orange paper, and I found this pattern online. You can get the weekly lesson plan and the worksheets and links and all of that at my website. And then I just put some markers or pencils inside. So that was one fun idea. For science today, we talked about a kangaroo. So I'll go through that for you really quickly. So this is a kangaroo. It can stand up tall. It has long legs in the back, shorter legs in the front, and small ears. I'm going to get out and back in because sometimes that freezes on the second slide, and I want you to be able to see the baby kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey, and the baby kangaroo can stay in its mommy's pouch on the front of its body. When the baby kangaroo gets big enough and is ready to hop around on its own, it comes out. And here's some kangaroos hopping around. You can see those powerful back legs are great for hopping, but a kangaroo can also run. A kangaroo can run on all 4 legs, and look at that tail. Those legs are great for kicking, and that tail is great for balance and for boosting so that the kangaroo can jump even higher. The story that I read for today is called Pouch, and I'll read it here for you today. Pouch is by David Ezra Stein. When he was a brand new kangaroo, Joey lived in the pouch until one day he peeked out and saw the world and his mama smiling down at him. "Mama," said Joey, "I want to hop." He climbed out of the pouch and took 2 hops to the tall grass. Boing, boing. "Who are you?" "Bee," said the bee. "Pouch," said Joey, and he jumped back in. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 3 hops to the little hill. Boing, boing, boing. "Who are you?" "Rabbit," Pouch, said Joey, and he hopped back in. But soon he wanted to hop again. This time he took 4 hops to the sandy hollow. Boing, 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 boing. Who are you? Bird. Pouch, said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. This time he took 5 hops to the pasture fence. Boing, 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 boing. Who are you? Kangaroo. Pouch, said both kangaroos. Wait, said Joey. You were afraid of me too? And then they both started to laugh. Then they hop, 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 hoppity hopped everywhere. Pouch? Asked their mamas. No, thanks. The end. So I hope that gave you some ideas for K is for kangaroo. Come back next time for another letter of the day idea video. Goodbye.